All right, what's up, guys? I'm going to get right into it. You guys are going to see that today I took 52 freaking trades. And the trades don't stop. I'm in one last short for the day. So I'll get into what happened today on my top step once I get out of this trade. So just give me a minute. I'll be watching this. But I want to talk about what the hell happened today. Because 52 trades, guys, this is not good, and I don't know what the hell I was thinking. But yeah, so let me just figure out this. I'll fast forward this trade really quick, just because I want to. This is on my funded futures family, so I'm gonna fast forward this really quick, and then I'll get back to it. All right, guys. So I just wanted to take this trade really quick. I'll go over it super quick. Don't know how long I'll stay in it, but we'll see. Pretty much head and shoulders through the downtrend, or through the uptrend, I mean. Shoulder, head, shoulder. We built lower highs. Hopefully now making a lower low to this area here. And yeah, I just pretty much took a short in this area for the trend line crack. Sorry, my dog wants to go out. But all right, guys. So I'm gonna let this one ride a little bit, and pretty much on my Top Step account, the funded, we are sitting at negative 648 balance. We have somehow made it back from being down a lot. You know, I thought this account was cooked, and to be honest, today I really thought it was gonna be gone. All right, sorry guys. Wait, let me just take this trade and then. Let's close that out. I want to focus on the video. It's not letting me, guys. I'm trying to get out of it. Wait, we're good. All right, we're just getting some lag there. That was scary, but this will probably fall down a lot more. But I got to get out of here anyways very shortly, so I don't want to be in this in a trade too much longer. So all right, I'm gonna wrap up this video quick. But I crashed out today, guys. I don't know why or how. Well, I kind of do know. So we took 52 trades, and let's just say I got the account down over $500. Not my finest work today, guys. So don't mind all the trend lines and stuff, but I was just trading like a madman today. But what started this off was, if you guys didn't see my newest video, my previous video, I passed 2 funded futures family accounts, which are actually up. I'll go over those in a minute. And I think that part of me was just thinking, all right, well, the balance on those is 50,000, right? I'm starting fresh. Why not just allow myself to, you know, take a little bit more risk on this Top Step account? And if I blow this, all right, so what? So be it. I'll have 250K funded still in the back burner that I could, you know, pretty much trade. Well, yeah, I got into the mindset today that I was ready to blow this account, and I had my stop loss past the max, like the max balance limit or whatever, and I was pretty much ready. So that was scary, guys. I'm happy this account survived, and you know what? That just re-solidifies that I need to be super disciplined and even more disciplined on this account and not allow that to go. I think something told me that, or this was a sign that I can't just let this Top Step account go away. I've been, you know, it took me a month to pass this thing, and I finally, I can't just throw it all away. We got to be committed to it. So we're making our risk super strict. We're going to be super strict with the risk, the rules. I think just this market's been kind of crazy, and I won't lie to you guys. Yesterday I overtraded a little bit, right? And especially Wednesday, and I was awarded for that. Like, when this was Wednesday, right? I was down. Well, I started to overtrade, made it back, and it was bad because normally, you know, when you overtrade, usually most of the time for me, I take losses, but for some reason, this week, even with overtrading, I ended the day green, and I think that pretty much tricked my mind to thinking, oh well, you know what? If I'm down on the day, it's all right. We could just keep on trading and we'll make it back somehow. And that's I won't lie, what was happening today. This trade made a little bit more sense, and yeah, we'll see. This probably will drop a lot. We'll see. But yeah, I just wanted to talk to you guys about that because I want to show everything that today was a super bad day. I don't even know how the hell I traded 52 trades today. like this is bringing back my old crazy trading days. Like, let's just pick a random day. 88. Like, no, this was really bad. 143. I don't know what the hell I was doing, guys, but yeah, that's just 52 is still way too much. I'm trying to do 1, 2, maybe 3 trades on the day. But yeah, so all right, guys, I'm gonna go over my funded futures family accounts because those have just got newly funded. I passed. I got the certificate. Let me see. I'll throw that in here now. So it was cool. I didn't know if I was gonna be able to pass these or not because I wasn't sure if I followed all the rules. Like I wasn't sure with funded futures family. Main reason I bought them or got the accounts was because I was just excited to see that they didn't have an activation fee, which is pretty cool. Some of those activation fees could be expensive. But yeah, guys. All right, so one of my fundeds, I actually didn't take the same trades on these accounts. Like Top Step, I traded in the morning, right? I was just, to be honest, I don't know what the hell I was doing. I was trading along this. I started going long, started going short. Really was gambling kind of and just trading the momentum. Locked out of that when I was finally able to turn that to 172 green for the day somehow. And then I went over to the funded, took a few trades. This one is sitting at, I still have a trade going. Oh my God, guys. All right. You guys witnessed that live. I didn't realize, but I had a sell limit in and I forgot about it. All right, so 470 on the day. Wow. I didn't even realize that. All right, I'm glad I got out of that. All right, but yeah, so this account's sitting at 50,700, so that's pretty cool. Yesterday I hit a $200 day. I think it was like 220 or so, and then today's over 200. So if after today and it updates, I think I'll need 5 more days of 200 to get some type of payout on these, which would be cool. I'm gonna try to keep the risk super small. But yeah, so one account sitting at 50,700, other one sitting at 50,360. I am trading these not all together and copy trading it. When I passed these, when I passed these combines and I was trading this, I was kind of just copy trading. Whatever I took on this, I would go heavier sizing, more aggressive on these accounts. Now what I'm doing is everything separate. So say if I get in a losing streak on this account, I'll kind of, this is what I'm hoping. I'll kind of notice to stop it and I won't continue trading on these. But if I'm having I don't know. I got to figure it out a little bit more. But pretty much, guys, I'll wrap it up here. I got to get out of here. Just want to give you an update and tell you guys that I did really super mess up today and I'm not proud of it. Today was like ultimate crash out, tilt mode. I was prepared to blow this account and I want to make sure that this account stays. I would love to have this account for the rest of my life if I can do it. So, yeah, I got to stay true to the max loss limit. I actually took mine off, which is really bad, guys. So, I'm showing you this now and I will never be removing this, right? $220. Let's do a $220 liquidate and block. Let's keep it. And yeah, I don't ever want to remove that until I get a larger amount of buffer and we get in the positives. Then maybe I'll bring it back to a 350, right? But yeah, this market's been crazy, guys. I never thought I'd say it, but I've actually gotten used to it's crazy that we almost had a 5% move today on NQ. Like the market is moving insane. So if you are trading, try to do super small size. I'm trying to keep it at 1 to 2 contracts. I will be honest though, today I got it up to 4 contracts of micro NQ, which were moving like minis. It almost felt. So try to size down, and if you guys are struggling in this market, just try to survive. Like I've gotten a little bit lucky, I think, the past few days. I won't lie, where I've had green, but I'm prepared, and I'm trying to my main focus nowadays is instead of trying to get green, try to see, make the most I can for the day. It's just try to survive. And today I really went against that, and I got to fix that. I got to figure out where I went wrong. But that's honestly the risk management part is the most important thing, guys. And let's just always just try to focus on managing that risk and following our plan, following our rules, because at the end of the day, if I would have blown this account and, you know, I would have had these two, but I would have felt so crap. So, especially, you know, on those days where you do get awarded for going against your rules, just try to really remember that that's like a 1 out of 10 chance, maybe 1 out of 20 chance. It's not always going to be like that. So, I really want to just like kind of, I'm going to go for like an extra long run today and, you know, not allow myself to be awarded for breaking these rules. But I ended that video quick because my dog got out. I got 2 huskies, and if you guys know or have had huskies, they are escape artists, and they can just run all day. So I'm gonna get out of here. I gotta figure out how they got out. I think maybe it's been like windy. I think my fence fell down or something. I don't know. I gotta check out in the backyard how they got out. But pretty much the road to 5K in payouts starts, right? We're going for 5K in payouts, and then maybe 15, then 25, 30, and we'll see. But yeah, simple trade today, guys. Although we went crazy and overtraded on this, just trading momentum, the overall like good trade of the day was this short of this trend line crack. And I think everybody, like, you don't have to see, don't pay attention to these blue lines. These were just like supports I had or key levels. But I think it's everybody could see this was a super simple trade, right? Shoulder, head, shoulder, or you could say higher high, higher low, higher high. Well, once we made a lower low, breaking that, and a lower high, break through that, lower high. Now we're going to make a lower low. We got an uptrend, and yeah. And I pretty much had stop losses above here. And that's a really great risk reward. My initial, I took it here, but we could have let it ride or even taken partials, let it ride, move stop to break even. However you guys want to play this, I don't know. Everybody trades differently, but yeah, that was that, guys. Thank you for watching. I'm dragging this out. I got to get out of here. I got to check out how my dog got out, and then I got a few things to do for the rest of the day. Go to the gym, and I got a few errands to run. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.